Well, I'm on my way to go and plant some more garlic. Going to break up this head into cloves and add these to what I already have planted. But I decided, since this is a holiday weekend coming up, instead of posting a new video on Friday, I'll give you guys a recap and update of what is happening with what we've done so far. I mean, this is the most uh, recent one, so you can see this is doing well. I haven't transferred these yet, and let's go back to the original. This was the first container that we reused, upscaled, recycled. This is the one with the sherbet, and originally this was supposed to have been just two two cherry tomatoes, but the seeds took a while to come up and they weren't new, so I didn't panic, but I thought, well, maybe they aren't going to grow. So I added more. Nothing happened. So I added more, and then boom, everything came up at once. So these seeds, these seedlings, these came from here, and I'm going to have to take out more because this is not going to support all those roots from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's probably about 8 more in here. I'm going to take out the majority of these, and I will plant these somewhere else. They won't go to waste. So the other thing we did was we took some containers and we used them for starters. This is uh, sage. These are sweet potatoes, and this is Jamaican sorrel. All of these are containers that would have been discarded, thrown out. So they're all doing well. And what else do we have? This is the lavender. Lavender takes a long time. So if you look real close, you'll see that one right there. But basically, this is kind of stagnant. If you look at the date, this is like maybe 2 weeks old. So it's going to take a little longer before we get something out of this guy. But the big one for me, the one that I'm excited over, this one here. These are the carrots. Carrots growing in the dishpan. So these came along exactly the way I expected they would. And they're kind of close together, but that's okay. The point is to see if we can grow carrots in the dishpan. Clearly they're growing. We're going to have to add some nutrients to these, but there they are. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the primary 4 containers that we reused. This aluminum container here, the ice cream or the sherbet container here, the egg carton container here, and the dishpan. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're just getting started. I have a whole lot more that I'm going to show you guys in the coming weeks. So, subscribe, stay tuned, enjoy your weekend, enjoy the holiday. This is the Frugal Gardener. Remember what I always tell you guys: when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I'll catch you in a few days in the next video. Enjoy your day.